1 year after the arrival on the anniversary date.
But things happen, right?
Yes,
things always
do happen. Well, not only that they happen, but the framers of the regulations understood that there are exceptions.
That's nice.
Yes. So the first one is changed circumstances, and this is changed circumstances in different arenas. One is changed circumstances in the conditions of the applicant's home country. For instance, let's say, particularly in the African nations where tribes can become political and they take over the political governance of a particular African nation. And it is known that in taking it over, that they would persecute different tribe members or different ethnic groups in that home country simply because of who they are. So if that happens, that gives rise to an asylum claim by the persecuted tribe, and they can make a request for it. An example also of changed circumstances is you may have a fear of persecution as a result of let's say, your Christian practices in China, and you leave. But you're not quite, you leave before there's any attempts to persecute you. So you're leaving because of the safety factor that you think that you will be, but you don't have any concrete evidence to show that. But where there's similarly situated individuals as you, who is a Christian in your home country, do get arrested, do get persecuted, do get tortured as a result of their religious beliefs, that gives rise to a changed circumstance, because now the government's enforcing that persecutory ban. So that can give rise to a claim, even if you're here in the United States. Or the applicant's circumstances materially change here in the United States. If you're here, for instance, you become a newborn Christian, and in your home country, depending on the type of Christianity that you practice, may be offensive to the government's form of supported Christianity in their home country. Examples are Coptic Christians, Christians that practice Christianity versus the Chinese government, which says it's a superstition and is considered a cult, and they persecute individuals as a result of that. So that could be a material change where in your particular community, it becomes a ban to practice that religion, and they arrest people and they imprison them as a result of their religious beliefs. That can give rise to changed circumstances as well.